in 2011 at the Monaco Grand Prix. Welcome to the Halcyon boat and Jenson Button Trust boat. Hope you have a wicked time. Cheers. This is like driving a go-kart around your living room, I suppose. We're racing around a street circuit and we're doing 185 miles an hour coming out the tunnel here. So it is crazy, but we love it. Winning here in 2009 was a very special feeling, winning the Monaco Grand Prix because of the history and also because it's mentally such a tough race because it feels like the circuit's just getting narrower and narrower as you're driving around. I hope you guys enjoy it. You know, we'll put on a great show for you guys. I can't believe your view. Thank you. Thank you. Have a good night.